How to download, install, and sign in to your account on Steam mobile app. So if you want to download, install, and sign into your account on Steam mobile app, then first you need to open up your Play Store or your App Store, whichever device you're using, and then go with the search. Under search, you need to search for Steam. Once you search for Steam, here you will have the install option. Simply tap on install and install the application. Once you've installed, you need to simply tap on open, which is on the right side, and then open the application. And once you open the application, now you will get this kind of interface where it will take you to the sign in page. So once you're here on the sign in page, you need to simply enter your Steam account name. So enter your account name on the first blank and then enter your password on the next blank. Once you enter your password, you need to simply tap on sign in. But if you don't remember your password, then go with forgot your password or forgot your account name, and you will be able to reset or recover your password, or you will be able to recover your account. But if you remember, then simply tap on sign in. Once you tap on sign in, it will take you to the next step of verifying. So Steam Guard will send you a message to the mail address in which your Steam is linked. So you just need to simply go with the mail, open up your Gmail. Once you open up your Gmail, now you'll receive the code from the Steam. So you just need to simply copy the code. Once you copy the code, go back to the page and simply enter that code right here. And once you enter it, you need to go with sign in option. Once you tap on sign in, then you'll be able to sign into your Steam mobile app. So that's how you can sign in. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.